Guys, medyo napagod kami a while ago sa kalalakad namin para lang mahanap yung pagkain ni Martin na favorite pizza na, but then I have to say it was actually really good. So it was good that we did it. And ang ganda ng lugar doon. I mean, i-attach ko of course yung mga pictures, ganyan. Parang pang Instagram talaga. But anyway, right now it is, anong oras na ba? It is 8:25 na ng gabi. So, paalis kami para din makahanap ng dinner. And, yeah. So, yan. Pa-t-shirt lang tayo kasi pagod kami today, guys. Ang kasi yung look at the cat. What?
Hold the plate for them. God. I feel that it hurt. Ow. Ow. Ow.
Okay.
No, that's fine.
Ow.
Every step.
Take your order, sir, I'm taken by surprise. She's got a gentle kindness in her smile and a shining in her eyes. I need for her to see that I am not like other guys. I'll take a 6-piece meal.
Dumating na yung pagkain, guys. This is my food. Ito yung sauce ko. Martin is also staying. Yummy. And pepper. First bite there. Tastes good. Sarap. Ang sarap ng stay ko, guys. Pero si Martin hindi siya happy. Kasi nga daw yung sa kanya chewy. So parang inofferan siya ng another meat. So we'll have to wait a bit. Pero ako, ayaw ko din naman kumain na nag-aantay lang siya. So, I'll also have to wait para sabay kaming kumain. So, yun, pero babait naman pala mga tao dito when they found out na parang, oh, the other one is like chewy, ganyan. So, they just like, okay, would like to offer you another meat or something like that. Let's see. You got so sad. You got so sad, no? Yum. Better? Good. Yumshy. Now he's happy.
Well, can I take your order, sir? I'm taken by surprise. She's got a gentle kindness in her smile and a shining in her eyes. I need for her to see that I am not like other guys. I'll take a 6-piece McNugget and a small order of fries. Well, Jasmine, you're like the sweetest tea. You fill my heart with glee. Come on along and rescue me. Well, Jasmine, as like the deepest sea, no one could disagree. You are my fast food fantasy. She makes the burgers with a little more cheese, and her flurries really make you freeze. She pours the coffee with the greatest of ease, while her smile warms it up a few degrees. She bakes a pie, salsa fries, supersized, makes it all look like a breeze. Oh, Jasmine, if I ask you, would you be my fast food squeeze? Oh, Jasmine, you're like the sweetest tea. You fill my heart with glee. Come on along and rescue me. Jasmine, as like the deepest sea, no one
guys, dumating na kami dito ulit sa aming hotel. And we've just been done eating. Kumain kami ng steak. And it was a really, really nice place. And very comfortable. Tapos yung, ano nila, yung waitress at waiters nila doon ay sobrang professional. Very charming. Tapos, basta, ang ano lang, ang galing lang nila. And then, kumain ako ng steak, Martin din, pero yung sa kang Martin, first it was like not tender at all, and then they came and say, oh, how was the food, and blah, 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 and then when they found out it was not that tender, so they exchanged it with another steak. It was so nice, there was no discussion, nothing, it's just like, okay, let me offer you another one, so yon, and yeah, it's our second night dito sa Greece, and so far we're enjoying it, and we're gonna be staying here until Friday next week. And si Martin inuubo. Wala yung corona. Inuubo lang. So, yeah. So, I think let's just call it a night because we've been early this afternoon. We've been walking and walking and walking. I think parang almost 3 hours ata yung paglalakad namin just to find that special place na sa tingin ni Martin ay best pizza daw dito. But anyway, we found it. It was so nice. Makikita nyo din doon yung place nila is parang perfect for Instagram. Ganyan. Oh my God. So yun guys. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.